Hello everyone! So, I previously made a video explaining how I use puffy pens, and I showed how they puff up when I use a heat gun. However, since I use a phone to record these reactions, I'm not able to fully zoom in as much as I want to. And then, it hit me. I have a microscope. I bought it way back in college when I started my very first job as a server, and with my very first paycheck, I bought this microscope. I bought it because I always wanted one as a child, and it was one of those guilty pleasures that I was finally able to afford as an adult, and give my inner child a little bit of joy. I cleaned up the microscope and I got right to work. Here I started with this black puffy pen ink, and the result up close was incredible. I couldn't believe how much detail I got. It was amazing. And then I tried all of the different colors that I have. All of the products I used, including my mighty microscope, are linked in this video, so make sure you check those out if you want to recreate this little experiment. And please let me know in the comments which color of ink you like best and what I should try to see under the microscope next. Happy arting!